আলাইকুম সম্মানিত ভিউয়ার, আজকে আমরা ইংলিশ লিটারেচারের উপর কিছু গুরুত্বপূর্ণ প্রশ্ন দেখব যেগুলো ৪৬তম বিসিএসে অবশ্যই কমন থাকতে পারে। তবে চলুন শুরু করা যাক। এ থিঙ্ক অফ বিউটি ইজ এ জয় ফর এভার ওয়াজ স্টার্টেড বাই জন কিট। লেট নেচার বি ইউর টিচার ইজ কোটেড বাই উইলিয়াম ওরসওয়ার্থ। Who wrote The Spirit of Age? William Hazlitt. Tales of Shakespeare, written by Lamb. Who wrote Biographia Literaria? S.T. Coleridge. William Hazlitt is a essayist. The bird albatross could be found in the rime of Ancient Mariner. Who is known as an anti-romantic novelist in the Romantic Age? John Austen. Who is famous for lucid language? Wordsworth. In Coleridge's poem The Rime of the Ancient Mariner, where were the three gallants going? A wedding. Biographia Literaria was written by S.T. Coleridge. Oh, live me as a wave, a leaf, a cloud, a fall upon the thorns of life. I bleed. The extract is taken from P.B. Shelley's poem Ode to the West Wind. The study of poetry is written by Matthew Arnold. Which poet emphasized on rustic language in poetry? William Wordsworth. The character Elizabeth Bennet appears in the novel Pride and Prejudice. Who wrote Tales of Shakespeare? Lamb. Emma is a novel by John Austen. The author of Song of Innocence and Experience is written by William Blake. P.B. Shelley's Adonais is an elegy on the death of John Keats. She Walks in Beauty, written by Lord Byron. Which one is not true about S.T. Coleridge? Poet of Nature. Poet of Nature হচ্ছে উইলিয়াম ওরসওয়ার্থের উপাধি। Who wrote The Prelude? William Wordsworth. It is easier to forgive an enemy than to forgive a friend. William Blake. Who is called Poet of Hope and Regeneration? P.B. Shelley. পার্সি বেশি শেলিকে Poet of Hope and Regeneration বলা হয়। We find subjective elements in জন কিট, P.B. Shelley এবং উইলিয়াম ওরসওয়ার্থের লেখায়, অর্থাৎ এখানে তিনজনের লেখার মধ্যেই সাবজেক্টিভিটি বা সাবজেক্টিভ এলিমেন্ট খুঁজে পাওয়া যায়। Which is not written by William Wordsworth? Mansfield Park. He prayed best who loved best. All things both great and small is quoted by S.T. Coleridge. Among them, who is a famous critic and essayist? William Hazlitt. Man's love is of man's life a thing apart. This woman's whole existence. This is taken from the poem of Lord Byron. Who wrote the poem The Ruined Cottage? William Wordsworth. Harold Pilgrim, written by Byron. Most important feature of a romantic poetry: subjectivity.